I created my own sneaker. I'm the next Kanye West. The thing is, yo, I'm not lying though. That's a fact. I really did create my own sneaker. But it's not as complicated as you actually think. It really isn't. I just went on Nike ID. And for some of you guys who maybe have questions about Nike ID or what's the process or what it's like and what's the quality, definitely watch this and see what it's like to get a Nike ID shoe. And I'll give you my first impressions. I'm also in this video, I'm going to show you what the shoe looks like on foot. And I'm also going to show you guys 2 outfits that goes with the shoe. So that way you guys get a little bit of fashion pointers. Maybe it'll help you guys out. I don't know. Alright, so this is the box. So when you do Nike ID, this is the shoe box that you get. It's a nice clean box. Nikebyyou written on the front. You got the Nike check over here. Pretty dope. Check the side there. Swoosh. Cool. Some more stuff on the side. Nike by the person who made it, which is me. Got the shoe. And then you can see the picture of the shoe, which is pretty dope. Yes, I got it in all red. Alright, so take a look. You open the box this way. It's a sliding box. The wrapping. And take a look at the shoe. This thing is fire. All red, everything. The outside, the shoelaces, the bottom. This is true red on red. I purposely wanted to get this because red is one of my favorite colors. And I really like shoes when it's just one color. So like I have all white, I have all black. I've had shoes that are all blue. Just to me, I think sneakers look better when they're all one color. So that's the goal that I was trying to do with this. I want to get it in all red, a nice color red like this. And so that when you wear this shoe, it pops. So when you look at the outfit, the first thing you're gonna see is these red shoes. And the good thing is these sneakers are fire when you put them on. And I'll show you what it looks like when you put them on. And I'll show you with the outfit as well. Only thing that kind of sucks is the inside isn't red. That's kind of annoying. I kind of wish I could make that red, but that wasn't an option. The things that I was able to customize, this part right here, I was able to customize that, make it red. The sole, I did that. The outside, you could do that. The check you could change. Oh, this is the only thing that I made yellow. The Nike logo on the back, I just wanted this to be yellow because I feel like it looks kind of cool. Like a little gold on the back, you know? That's pretty dope. But the only, this other thing here, you can't change this. This is always going to be black. But literally, basically everything in the shoe, you can customize it. Make it look as cool as you want, basically. Alright. Take a look at both sneakers. Let's get a closer look. Oh, these things are so fly. Oh my god, I don't care what nobody say. These things are fly. What? My favorite sneakers of all time, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the shoe looks like on foot. And I'm also show you 2 outfits that I'm gonna wear it with. Let's go. Alright, so my outfit from head to toe. The sweater is actually a Naruto sweater. Got it from TJ Maxx. It's not actually that expensive. One little quick thing about me, I don't really buy expensive clothes, honestly. I don't really see the point. I feel like if you're really good at putting clothes together, you don't necessarily need to go buy expensive clothes. You know, you just got to be good at figuring out what looks good with what colors work with what, you know, what designs. I've never subscribed to the whole designer designer to designer. Not saying I won't ever get some designer at some point, and I already do have some things, but you know, I just don't think it's a necessity. All right. So once again, sweater is a Naruto sweater, not very expensive. Jacket is from Forever 21, like a washed black. It's distressed. Jeans, distressed black from Hollister. And then to top it off, Nikeprestos, all red. Alright, so my next outfit is an all blue outfit. And again, this is the reason why I like to get shoes in all in one color. If you get shoes in all in one color, you can always wear it with something. As long as the outfit that you're having is close to the same color, you can use any different type of shoe as long as it's one color. So you'll see right here I have all blue. I have a light blue sweater, and then I have some light blue jeans. And then it goes perfectly with the red. Alright, so that's really it. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I'm going to try to edit this, make it look real nice. We'll see. Some quick ending points. So when you're doing Nike ID, the process took me about 2 weeks or so. It really didn't even take that long at all. I thought it was going to take months, but it was actually really fast. So about 2 weeks, you know, you make the shoe, they'll send it out to you, ship it. It looks perfect. The shoe looks like exactly like what it looked like online, if not actually a little bit better. All right, so definitely I would highly recommend do Nike ID, especially if you got a special shoe that you really like. Definitely go for Nike ID. It's really awesome. All right, stay tuned. Next week I'm gonna show you the second shoe that I created. I'm also show you 2 more outfits. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. I just want to add in real quick, if you like this type of video, like fashion, sneakers, outfits, this type of thing, let me know. Drop a comment. Tell me exactly what it is you like, and give me some suggestions. All right, thanks for watching.